Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of contemporary period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 126 up to part 6. This is part 7. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगें तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारे आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 127। पोएम्स लाइक ब्राइट नवंबर Poems like Bright November, A Frame of Mind, and A Case of Samples were written by. Again, question is Thomas. Poems like Bright November, A Frame of Mind, and A Case of Samples were written by option A. Kingsley MS, option B. Angus Bilson, option C. C.P. Snow, and option D. Stephen Spender. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Kingsley MS. Option A is the correct answer. Yes. Now option A. Option A is the correct answer. Kingsley MS. Now question number 128. Kingsley MS wrote an essay on science fiction. Identify it. Kingsley MS wrote an essay on science fiction. Identify it. कौन सा ये ऐसे था? ऑप्शन ए द Egyptologist, option B, Dear Illusion, option C, The Avernus Country, and option D, New Maps of Hell. So the correct answer is option D, New Maps of Hell. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 129. When did Kingsley MS write his memoirs? When did Kingsley MS write his memoirs? Option A 1991, option B 1992, option C 1993, and option D 1994. So the correct answer is option A 1991. 1991 is the correct answer. Now question number 130. Whose early volumes 20 poems and the Still Center intermix public, private and political verses without any pretense of a detachment. Option A. McNeice. Option B. C. D. Lewis. Option C. Stephen Spender. And option D. W. B. Yeats. So option C. Stephen Spender is the correct answer. Now question number 131. Question number 131. The Dog Beneath the Skin was a collaborated product of a group of friends including Christopher Isherwood and option A. Stephen Spencer, option B. W. H. Auden, option C. McNeice, and option D. C. D. Lewis. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is W. H. Auden. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 132. Question number 132. Yes. Yes, question number 132. Samuel Beckett was a poet, dramatist, and a novelist who wrote proficiently in two languages. Option English and option A Italian, option B Spanish, option C German, and option D French. So Samuel Beckett was a poet. Samuel Beckett was a poet, dramatist, and novelist who wrote proficiently in two languages, English and option D French. Yes, option D French. Now question number 133. The most famous of Beckett's works has been his mysterious but highly innovative drama. The most famous Beckett's work being his mysterious and highly innovative drama. Option A, Embers. Option B, All That Fail. Option C, Waited for Godot. And option D, Indie Game. So option C, Waiting for Godot is the most famous of Beckett works, has been his mysterious and highly innovative drama. Now question number 134. Samuel Beckett was conferred the Nobel Prize for Literature in. Again question. Samuel Beckett was conferred the Nobel Prize for Literature in. Option A 1965, option B 1969, option C 1974 and option D 1981. So the correct answer is option B 1969. 1969 is the correct answer. Now question number 135. In which of his play Beckett uses blindness of hum as a mode of suggesting that one kind of deprivation may alert audience to the force of alternative ways of perceiving. Option A, Endgame. Option B, Happy Days. Option C, Waiting for Godot. And option D, Embers. So option A, Endgame is the correct answer. Endgame is the correct answer. Now question number 136. Which play of Samuel Beckett was first written in French? Fin de Partie in 1957. Find D. Option A, Crab's Last Tap. Option B, Embers. Option C, Happy Days. And option D, Endgame. Endgame. So option D, Endgame is the correct answer. Now question number 137. Question number 137. Who wrote the famous novel Boston Boy in 1958? Who wrote the famous novel Boston Boy in 1958? Option A, Samuel Beckett. Option B, Christopher Fry. Option C, Brendan Behan. Option D, Kingsley Amis. So option C, Brendan Behan is the correct answer. Now question number 138. Which play did Brendan Behan write in 1956? Which play did Brendan Behan write in 1956? Option A, The Go-Between. Option B, The Queer Fellow. Option C, The Little Girls. And option D, Poor Things. So which one is the correct answer is option B. Option B, The Queer Fellow is the correct answer. Now question number 139. Who wrote the famous play A Man for All Seasons in 1960? A Man for All Seasons in 1960. Option A, Samuel Beckett. Option B, Kingsley Amis. Option C, Malcolm Bradbury. And option D, Robert Bolt. So option D, Robert Bolt is the correct answer. Now question number 140. Robert Bolt wrote an autobiography. Robert Bolt wrote an outstanding play in 1965. Name that play. Robert Bolt wrote an outstanding play in 1965. Name that play. Option A, Dr. Zhivago. Option B, All That Fail. Option C, A Man for All Season. And option D, The Queer Fellow. So the correct answer of this question is 140 is option A, Dr. Zhivago. Zhivago is the correct answer. Now question number 141. Lawrence of Arabia by Robert Bolt, written in 1962, is A. Lawrence of Arabia by Robert Bolt, written in 1962, is a ballad. Option B, psychological novel. Option C, screenplay. And option D, epic. So the correct answer is screenplay. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 142. Heinrich Ball was a novelist and short story writer who belongs to. Heinrich Ball was a novelist Heinrich Ball was a novelist and short story writer who belonged to option A Netherlands, option B Germany, option C Denmark, and option D Poland. So option B Germany is the correct answer. The Germany is the correct answer. Now question number 143. Who was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1972? 1972 में किसे नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया? ऑप्शन ए पावेलो नेरूदा, ऑप्शन बी हेनरिच बॉल, ऑप्शन सी पैट्रिक वाइट, एंड ऑप्शन डी इवविंड जॉनसन एंड हैरी मार्टिनसन. So which one is the correct answer of 143? Option B Heinrich Ball. Heinrich Ball is the correct answer. Now question number 144. Now question number 144. The question number 144. Billiards and half past 9. Billiards at half past 9, 1959, and the last honor of Katharina Blum, 1964, are written by option A Ceci de Lewis, option B Pablo Neruda, option C Bernardin Behan, and option D Heinrich Ball. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D. Option D Heinrich Ball is the correct answer. Now question number 145 says is De Lewis volume of poetry do not include option A time of dance, option B collected poems, option C the working day, and option D the magnetic mountain. The magnetic mountain. So option C the working day is the correct answer. uh, Cecil De Lewis volume of poetry do not include the working day. Now question number 146. Cecil De Lewis become the poet laureates in. Cecil De Lewis कब पोएट लॉरेट्स बने? ऑप्शन ए 1968, ऑप्शन बी 1969, ऑप्शन सी 1970, एंड ऑप्शन डी 1971. So the correct answer is option A 1968. 1968 is the correct answer. Now question number 147. Yes. Now question number 147. Who wrote his detective novels under the pseudonym of Nicholas Black? Nicholas Black. Who wrote the detective novels under the pseudonym of Nicholas Black? Option A Noel Coward, option B Robert Bolt, option C Ceci De Lewis, and option D Brandon Behan. So who wrote detective novel? Detective novel. The correct answer is option C Ceci De Lewis. Option yes. Option C Ceci De Lewis. Now question number 148. Which of the following novel by C.D. Lewis? Yes. Question number 48. Which of the following is a novel by C.D. Lewis? So these four options: option A the magnetic mountain, option B a time to dance, option C child of misfortune, option D from feathers to iron. From feathers to iron. So the correct answer is option C child of misfortune. Now question number 149. Now question number 149 है Home for Poetry, Hope for Poetry 1934 and The Poetic Image 1947 are the critical work of option A W. H. Auden, option B C. De Lewis, option C T. S. Eliot, and option D Robert Bridges. So the correct answer is option B C. D. Lewis. Question number 150. Malcolm Bradbury worked as a professor at the University of. Malcolm Bradbury worked as a professor at the University of option A East Anglia, option B West Anglia, option C North Anglia, and option D South Anglia. So option A East Anglia is the correct answer. This is the second last question. डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. ऑप्शन ए, ईटिंग पीपल इज रॉन्ग, स्टेपिंग बेस्ट वर्ड एंड द हिस्ट्री मैंस आर द वर्क ऑफ. अगेन द क्वेश्चन इज, eating people is wrong, stepping best word and the history of man's are the work of. Option A Christopher Fry, option B William Golding, option C Robert Bolt, and option D Malcolm Bradbury. So option D Malcolm Bradbury is the correct answer. Now this is the last question, dear friends. which book which book of Malcolm Bradbury deals with the structuralist theories in an Eastern European setting? Which book of Malcolm Bradbury deals with the structuralist theories in an Eastern European setting? Option A Stepping Backward, option B Rates of Exchange, option C Eating People is Wrong, and option D The History of History Man. So the correct answer is option B Rates of Exchange. Thank you for watching this video, guys.